Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video we'll be going over edge weapons. We're going to start with our deployment system and utilizing a single blade and attacking multiple targets. But before we get there, I need you to click the buttons to like and subscribe and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you and have a great day.
Now let's combine the horizontal and the circular. Same thing, it's a little simpler than the last two we did. I'm going to come in, I'm going to bridge from here. Once I clear, I'm going to take a horizontal cut. So when my arms up, if I'm on his left side, I'm not going to the ribs. I'm looking here to the stomach and the spleen. But on the right side, I'd be going to the liver. Okay, so again, coming through here, once I clear, I'm taking the organ strike and then the second organ strike to the kidney. Working my through clear, horizontal, circular. One more time. Coming through clear, horizontal to circular. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.